Christmas is a time for family, friends, and sharing. So today, on my Christmas special, I am creating a treat with some of Ghana's most loved local ingredients, including tilapia, boiled groundnuts, and our tropical fruits. Let's start things off with our tilapia and potato fish cake. Fillet the fish as much as possible and put into a pan. Add a clove of garlic, mixed herbs, salt, and cook till it is soft and tender. Take off fire and drain it. Use a fork to remove skins and bones. Put cooked potatoes into a food processor. Add the cooled tilapia, mint leaves, lemon zest, green peas, and mix. Take out the mixture and roll into balls on a parchment paper. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes to firm up the balls. Beat an egg, dip the balls into the flour and roll into the egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Fry till golden brown and blot the excess oil with tissue paper. For the boiled groundnut salad, cut up lettuce into a salad bowl. Chop cherry tomatoes and add to the lettuce. Add in shredded carrots and chopped cucumber. Now break out the boiled groundnut and add white vinegar and mix up. Drain and chop the groundnut into bits. Collect and add to the salad bowl. Add oil to the shrimps, season with mixed herbs, black pepper, onion flakes, and mix it well. Pour into a heated pan, toss and stir it till it is well cooked. Add the shrimps into the salad. For the dressing, pour olive oil into a container, add lemon juice, mixed herbs, oregano, black pepper, balsamic vinegar, salt, and honey. Shake it till evenly mixed and pour into the salad and keep it in a fridge. Now to the tropical fruit punch cocktails. Juice up the oranges, pineapples, and mangoes. Add chopped apples and lemon slices into a big jar. Sieve in the juice and stir up for an even mix. For a tropical fizz, pour a little juice into a champagne glass and drop in a strawberry. Top it up with some champagne. For the virgin cocktails, drop ice cubes with red currant into a mini jar and add the fruit punch. For our third cocktail option, add ice cubes into a glass, add the fruit punch and top it up with some soda water. Finally, for a tropical sangria, add some red wine to the fruit punch, stir and serve in a goblet glass. Now, time for tasting all the amazing Christmas treats. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next year. Happy cooking. Stick and stay. Bye bye.